Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of times what I've seen when I work with SMEs using HubSpot is that even though they have a sales professional or a marketing professional plan, a lot of these allocations are still manual. Like for example, if there's a lead which enters into a system and they belong to a certain country or have a certain revenue size, a lot of times the founder or anyone who is managing HubSpot is the one who manually assigns a sales rep to that particular contact who can take the conversation ahead. But if you have a sales or a marketing professional plan, you are missing out on a very useful feature, which is obviously workflows, wherein you can have this manual job being automated, wherein anytime a lead comes into a system based on the company's geography, a sales rep who is assigned to that particular geography can automatically be assigned to that particular lead and he can take it ahead. This removes manual allocation completely from that process. So I'll just show you how that can be done. So it's very easy. All you need to do is go to workflows, create a workflow from scratch. So what I'll do is I'll go to contacts. I will go to company which is associated with that particular contact. And for the trigger, I'll say that the country region is known. So this will only trigger if the company's country or and region is known. And I'll click on next. We'll just enable re-enroll for now and save and continue. So what we've done is we've created the trigger, which will automatically enroll a contact which is associated with the company when the country region of that company is known. And then what we'll do is we'll branch these out and we'll branch it by and on logic. One would be North America and another would be South America. So over here, say for example, if our company is operating in the North America and South America geographies, we create these branches, and then what we will say is again we'll go to company, country, and so what we are basically saying over here is if a contact is associated to any company and the company country region is equal to any of United States, Mexico, create one branch and the other branch for South America. Again, we go to companies, country region is any of we'll put in Argentina and Uruguay. So over here, I guess I'll remove Mexico and put in Canada, and I'll save it. Sorry for a bit of weak geography. Uh, so the workflow till now is if the contact is associated with any company and the associated company region is known, we'll branch it out into two geographies, North America and South America. We created these filters wherein the country can be any of US, Canada, Mexico, and Argentina, Uruguay, and South America. And now what we'll do is we'll add an action over here, go to CRM, go to edit record, and over here, we simply change the contact owner to, say, for example, this person, and save it. And over here again, we go to edit record, and again, the contact owner and save. So now if you see, anytime a contact associated to a company related to, say, US or Canada, will the contact owner would automatically change to this person. And if it's any countries in the South America which we've defined, Argentina and Uruguay, it will get changed to like the contact owner would be this particular person. So that's how the automatic allocation can be enabled. You can even go one step ahead and add another action, add in communication, and send in an internal email notification to the existing owner, which is the contact owner. So we just allocated it automatically to the contact owner and say lead assigned. And then right there, a lead has been assigned to you. And what we can do is the name, and we can make use of these tokens over here. And what we can do is we'll put in the first name, last name, and the email as well. So all of these have been set. I'll click and save. So now, whenever a contact is assigned to a contact owner, they'll also get notified via an internal email notification, which will hit their inbox. And we can do the same over here as well. All you need to do is just clone this action and just place it over here and save. So both of these contact owners will get notified as soon as a contact is assigned to them. So that's how this workflow can be created. So pretty simple. but a pretty useful one because it automates a lot of your processes. So your data stays intact. You remove manual intervention from it, which all in all helps your overall operations. So yeah, that is it from my end. Thank you.